Yeah, I just wanted to leave a review for this new power drill that I just picked up. It's the AVID Power. Picked it up on Amazon, and the price was pretty amazing. It's the ACD 316N reversible cordless 20 volt max lithium ion battery powered for under $40. And I just wanted to show you, I drilled out over 130 holes into a pressure treated piece of 2x4, and I'll show you right now another one. I was pretty impressed with this, so I just wanted to kind of pass the information on to everybody that's interested in getting a real budget but powerful drill motor. Right through. And let me reverse this back out, and let me show you the battery level after all of that is still at 3. Pretty impressive battery, pretty impressive drill motor for the price. It's unbelievable for under 40 bucks.
I ordered this morning and it just came in. So this is what I'm doing. Removing my old hook plates to my bed. The movers did misplace one of them. So I did order these. And as you can see, the holes do not line up. So I'm adding new ones. There, I've already made one. Here, I need to make one more. As you can see, there we go. I like it so far. And pink. Here we have the AVID Power 20 volt cordless drill driver that I bought off of Amazon. Comes with the battery pack there, 20 volts. Little manual. This little tool that helps you get down into places that maybe you can't reach with a wrench in your hand, and then it just spirals around. It's pretty cool. Put your little socket in there, and it comes with the 2 drill bits, and then it comes with these bits as well. And it also comes, I got one of the bits in here already, a Phillips, and it comes with this little extension as well, and charger. And so that is it. I like it.
That will let you get in all your tight spaces. Rechargeable. Right here, this is the charger that comes with it. This retails on Amazon for $39.99. And let me tell you, as a homeowner and a do-it-yourselfer, this is what I want because it's very easy to use. And I want to show you this. It has the LED light right here. And like I said, when it's chucking, you can switch out any bit you need. It's great for your, putting up a shelf or putting up anything you might need. $39.99 on Amazon. Go get yourself one.
Okay, here's my husband's instrument, writing a review. It is a little bit heavy on the side, not that lightweight. The light turns on good. He says it works perfectly fine. Has all of the pieces. He's used it already like 10 times.
Alors, déjà brisée. Elle fonctionne encore. Mais ici, le plastique est cassé.